Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Facebook leads to Gohighlevel. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we are connecting Facebook leads to Gohighlevel. So first of all, you need to access the integration settings. So let's navigate to settings on the bottom left corner, and then we are going to click on integrations, and this is now in your Gohighlevel account. You're then going to look for Facebook Instagram card, and then you're going to select connect to begin the integration process. You need to log in using your Facebook account with admin access to both your business page and your Facebook ad account. Then you need to grant all requested permissions, especially lead access permissions. You then need to choose the correct Facebook business page that's linked to your lead ads campaign to enable automatic lead capture as well as synchronization. Now you need to map your form fields. So here you're going to align your Facebook instant form fields with corresponding Gohighlevel CRM contact fields to ensure accurate data import as well as organization. And then the last thing is to set up a trigger-based workflow to initiate your follow-ups, pipeline updates, and nurture campaigns the moment new leads arrive from Facebook. I hope this was helpful.